namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Laram of course that came like Gagash, doing a taking linka, Nakokon Fonyonyo. Yeah, I think that's the update, of course. Yeah, about this house again. Yeah, and then from there, Daiki Unza, Kiyaka, Black Myth, yeah, do kiss of course, Daiki Tela DJ Mumba. Yeah, Makali of course related na previous version already laying I endla na of course Gagasha Karukana would Gazaka comes yeah love and stuff like that, and it's worth over 200,000 rand. So when a question quite the same video and stuff like that, laying at in this format, so that video clip then take here afterwards. Let's go.
Kemendela abantu bakhe bakunika 3,000 la nomuntu sikhona la masipa la mali ya xilungu xexi
ije la kokwancawo ke a ga ri chuka we
mani
kokwancawo ke na wa ga ri chu mali leyi nga yi dya vona se go wa jikela
tsameni jamale kokwancawo ke me
oh sorry chava nga yi dya
tsameni jamale kokwancawo ke me
sorry I chavi lo reta man chava nga yi
tsameni jamale kokwana
I chavi go bulela sorry no I withdraw it's fine. It's fine. I know it's just one. It's just one. You are the biggest boss. Yeah, mala rafia ona. Mara mara shinanga shaka gasha suka shoma saka. Ila kutore inya fit.
So I don't go that section. Louis Susaka the previous video was like ingataka ingafike kahle maka le ku video le yini. Also no mino hlamala man tuna ku Gagash na ku konfonyo set right akana the issues. So mino hlamala la ka video clip as mga switokolana ku vana mali na phela of course the mesho fana sheshe leswo yeah like it's more like konyo loko amuno ka rena mali no. Does he have man? So in other words, Gagash is basically trying to imply in other words, I'm sure of course nga vona ti ri karhi ti khandlana hi ti-rap ta kwala yi suka yimbi ya kona so and then we ta fika njhani mhaka leyi la ka kokwana Fonyonyo a redzi kumbe yi to vhela yi famba yi tsutsuma yi landza Range Rover as sweswi yi nga kombisa ku yi fike yi landza Range Rover sweswi yo mathori 3 meter kwala so tin'wana timovha leti kha ti komba so yi la ku ti landza so swi ti komba na ku nyimpi leyi ya ta mahlweni swinene between Gagash na kokwana Fonyonyo loko ni kha ni yi langutisini laha ya ta suka swi endla mi kuma ku na yindlu yaleyi ya yi aka ya yona of course a kha transition kha yi ta ka ni ri ndlu ya Gagash mi kuma yi tlhe yi fika yi bind yikulu ni ri ka yena just ku va ti kha ti pfalana hala ka and stuff like that. So yeah, I was like no ni ta mi sherela Master T vumenemene byi nge yi hundzi ne okay. Gagash of course I update about his house vele hi kombi hala ndzhaku hala ku nga na swimming pool ya khidela kona and stuff like that hi komba ku yindlu se yi fambe ku famba as we why Facebook a se yi nga zoom on ya ka tigalari la swa nyangatsa yi zoom ni nda ku ni nga ndli swa manyanga ya mara loko se hi ri laha hi va hi kha hi ri ka vo Master Timpel as you can see ya hala side ra hala ndzhaku la hi hala mi vona ku na timandi hala hi komba ku yi hala mahlweni hala so hala le side hala and then towards the back as you can see hala ndzhaku swi swi tirheni Gagash hi mfo congratulations hala i bini swinene tirheni swa kahle swa beliwa mandla swa kahle swa beliwa mandla mfo yi tirheni I tirheni swi kahle swinene as ni continue from the previous section xi ta n'wi tela Fonyonyo lexi ta n'wi tela lowu maybe xi ngo disturb xipeyisi laha ka xona laha ni vona ku xitana xa xi ntsanana nyana for ku yindla ka double story hi kulukumba ngo but ya xona swi endla xi n'wi tela hi ku se swi endlile ku a ta ha ri ka competition hi kombisile ku xi na mali nayo implying ku ri a xi na mali switliyo i switatimende swa tliyo sweswi a vo Master T ho khunguluka henhla ka swo switatimende swo fana sweswi nothing difficult kwala ku na xa complicated at all and stuff like that vona mhaka leswo leswo guys congratulations to masipala swi kahle swinene leswo Emntani vele khe hi sungula hi timhaka ta Black Myth. Previously kwalo ze ku ri swa rini kwalo kwa rini vo ti ya a ku ri August 2025 a hi updating Black Myth of course a xi kona a kotini of course ku va kha richa 2 million views and stuff like that. However, mina u hlamula ku nghena comment ka swilo of course Master T a wu swi vona ku ndleka yini hi ri se manjeni na because loko se hi ya ri cheka of course ka swihlofosa ra ti 17 February kuma ku se like swi ri khale swi ri gonyeni manje se ri ka uma 3 million as you can see kwala as you can see like ri gonye uma 65,000. One of the best. I think maybe vanhu vo ta va nga vo best ka va nga swi vona ku a hi nga ri update ka 3 million because ri gonye way too fast loko sure ku ri nga ri gonye ku vo malast loko ri le ka 65,000 sweswi I believe ri nga va ri gonye maybe around ma December somewhere around there leswi ni swi vonisaka swona laha risimu leriwa hi ku twisisa ka mina. So it's crazy guys, 3 million views in just a space of a year. It's crazy, ti record sweswo ndani vona ku ni fonyo ka risimu leri ambiwa ingwenya hayi bini Black Myth congratulations for na ku ri lembe ra wena uma 2025 mi ri ku hlupheni swinene ya swi nga swi ina na hala emakumba hala masungu mi te kahle swinene swi swa tikomba ku lomu mi kha mi ba tisingisingile mi ya kule swinene. Yona the typical xigaza xa ma 2K sound leyi liya so so ngavula tani ku congratulations to Black Myth, congratulations to Simon Free and also Snipes and stuff like kuna Simon Free kasi ka risimu leri kumbe nga n'wi twi ne ndakumarisa leswo a xi ngheni a wu fikini Black Myth mina ni munhu wa njela se mfu a wu fika ku fika risimu ri sasekela ende vanhu va ri tsakela swinene nkosi ku na Simon Free ka risimu swo ni hlomo maybe a ni tshama ni swi yingisela kahle hi lowu Simon Free ni ku ni nga i kona ni ka ni nga swi tekeli nhlokweni kona hi leswo yeah, I'm very key. Taka Black Mumba na kuna we have some great news because risimu ra yena of course running it clearly ri kota ku reach 3 million views. Yes, nge vulu in terms of time frame very nge vula leti records bad record ka yena ri tele ngopfu views leti tele ngopfu swinene so hi nga vula tano so hi nga vula tano ku congratulations to apologies a ku na wa yin'wana hi le handle a ni zama ku va ni pfala that's why ni vularise leswiya sorry yeah hi nga vula tani ku DJ Mumba congratulations for it's a classic it's a classic ri kota still ra kota ku reach 3 million views like ku ri ke ri hume huma 2023 swi vula swin'wana so hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to him because in 2025 of course I ri updating sa ri nghena huma 2 million so ri kota ku va ri pusha fast komisa ku it's a classic timeless and stuff like that. I been Mumbai, you know, Rishigaza Martin, Ashkat, Rantis, Ashfikin, Risalish look bang at the million. This day should buy the million and very, very should got walk on Tamat. Ashar, who gonna show right to see one. I could write such a technical speaking. One a couple of the channel that one cook Marshaka, so Correta Carolusham, Banyan in the way you Ashtalang, Baba update, the session of Logmuna upload their sim or register a movie there. Stuff like that. But I should talango. So that is the this days that's got about Kanda Marshnene online. Ashastra Matugi. So, look at them, guys. I'm not going to come and take a subscribe.
Namuntlha hi tele ku ta dyondza xigubu. Nkosi. Se Send out to the shires of that plane.